The 2025 Honda XL500T is the latest addition to Honda's line of dual sport motorcycles, offering a blend of rugged capability and refined engineering that is poised to capture the hearts of adventure enthusiasts and daily commuters alike. Honda has meticulously designed this bike to deliver versatility across various terrains, making it a reliable companion for both off-road exploration and city rides. At the heart of the XL500T lies a robust 500cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This power plant has been fine-tuned to provide a balance of power and efficiency, ensuring that riders have ample torque at their disposal whether they are navigating steep trails or cruising on highways. The engine's responsiveness is complemented by Honda's advanced fuel injection system, which optimizes performance and enhances fuel economy, making it suitable for long-distance rides. The XL500T features a lightweight yet durable chassis, constructed from high-strength steel. This construction not only contributes to the bike's agility, but also ensures it can withstand the rigors of off-road use. The suspension system, comprising long travel front forks and a rear monoshock, is designed to absorb impacts and provide a smooth ride over uneven surfaces. This setup is particularly beneficial for riders who enjoy venturing off the beaten path, as it offers excellent ground clearance and stability. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 XL500T is its rider-centric design. The ergonomics have been carefully crafted to offer comfort during extended rides. The seat is positioned to provide an upright riding stance, reducing fatigue on long journeys. Additionally, the handlebars are adjustable, allowing riders to customize their setup for optimal control and comfort. The bike also comes equipped with advanced digital instrumentation, offering clear readouts of speed, fuel level, and other vital information. Honda has not overlooked safety in the design of the XL500T. The bike is equipped with a dual-channel ABS system, providing reliable stopping power on both paved roads and loose surfaces. This feature is particularly crucial for maintaining control during sudden stops or when riding in challenging conditions. Additionally, the bike's LED lighting system ensures high visibility, enhancing safety during night rides or in low-light environments. The 2025 Honda XL500T represents a perfect harmony between performance, practicality, and innovation. Whether you're navigating urban streets or exploring remote trails, this motorcycle promises a dynamic and reliable riding experience. With its robust construction, advanced features, and Honda's reputation for reliability, the XL500T is set to become a favored choice among dual sport enthusiasts.